Okay, Pablo, we made the French toast casserole. We made the breakfast slaw. We made the ginger fruit salad plus the bonus punch recipe. Finally, we can make the mini maple pork chops.
That sounds great.
Let's get those mini maple pork chops going. I'm just going to blot off the chops, get some oil into the pan and get it heated up. And get them seasoned up with salt, pepper, and cayenne. Going to add those seasoned side down. And blot the other side too before seasoning them on that side with the salt, pepper, and cayenne. Now these pork chops are super thin, so they won't take very long at all to cook up. And please don't overcook them. You don't want them to dry out. And depending on, you're just going to have to go use the force, Pablo, to know when the pork chops are done. You just really, because they're so thin, you just really want to brown them on both sides. And they should be finished pretty darn quick in just a couple of minutes. And if your pan is not large enough, like mine is not large enough, you might have to cook a couple of pork chops by themselves at the end. I'm going to add the butter to the pan, add the maple syrup and the bourbon, and give that a stir. I cut those pork chops in half off camera. Get them in, stir them around in the glaze for a little bit. Just get them all nicely coated and arrange them on your platter. And don't you dare forget that sauce that's still in the pan. You definitely want to spoon that over the top of the chops. And then finally, mangiamo. Let's eat. It's brunch time. Okay, Pablo, we've done all 4 recipes for the brunch. The French toast casserole, the breakfast slaw, the ginger fruit compote, and the mini maple pork chops. Do you think your mom will enjoy this for Mother's Day?
I know she's going to enjoy it for Mother's Day.
Wonderful. Okay, I can't wait to see you for another project soon.
See ya. Thanks, Madrina.
Thanks so much, Pablo.